Welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So in this tutorials I am going to explain you guys the HPAC theoretical topic which is in chapter 2. So there are physics used in HPAC. We have to look into this. What is the physics used in HPAC? So before I start this topic, I would like to request you guys please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification of that video. So you can see here, first point is heat. This heat coming in the physics. So we will see here what is heat. So heat is nothing but it is the form of energy which transfer due to change in temperature. If there is temperature change, so heat will be transferred from higher body to lower body. Unit of heat is in SI system is kilojoule and in English system is BTU. BTU is nothing but British thermal unit. Okay. So this heat is measured in kilojoule in SI system, and in English system it is measured in BTU. So what is BTU we will see here. BTU is nothing but British thermal unit. It is defined as the amount of heat to be added to raise the temperature of 1 pounds of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. So if anyone asks what is British thermal unit BTU, so you can say it is the amount of heat to be added to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. It's called British thermal unit BTU. TR, ton of refrigerant. Next point is ton of refrigerant TR. So a ton of refrigeration is defined as the amount of cooling effect produced by the uniform melting of 1 ton is nothing but 1 kg, 1000 kg of ice from and at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours. That means 1 ton of ice will melt in 24 hours is called ton of refrigerant. So I will explain you with example. So mathematically how it is defined as latent heat of ice is nothing but 335 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so therefore 1 ton is equal to 335 into 1000 kg in 24 hours. Okay, this much of heat. So 335 into 1000 divided by convert into minute. So 24 into 60. So if you calculate this, you will get it 232.6 kilojoule per minute of heat in 1 ton. But in actual practice, 1 ton is equal to 210 kilojoule per minute, and 1 ton is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. Consider. Next is unit. So concept such as length, area, volume, temperature, etc. are called physical characteristics. Okay, and physical characteristics are measured by standard quantities called units. Okay, example, meter is used to measure the length. So length of units of length is nothing but meter. So US and SI metric unit. There are two system of unit used in HPS industry. One is called inch pound IP, US and imperial and English system. There are other is SI system is called international system of unit. Example of English system are distance in measure into feet or inches, area is measured in square feet, flow rate in cfm, temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. If you learn something from this video, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.